Guys, good morning all. Can hear me? Rajit Chaudhary, Rajveer Singh,
Yes, sir.
Vidya,
Yes, sir.
Kannivelu. Can hear me? Kannivelu. Vivek, Vishal, Rajveer. Vidya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Yeah. Kannivelu can hear me.
Yeah.
You are from which place, Kannivelu? Hello.
Yes, sir.
You are from which place?
Chittur.
Chittur, okay. Balaji can hear me. Balaji.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
Balaji Rajan. You are from?
I'm from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu.
Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Okay, good. And the students who are joined today, Balaji, Kanvelu, and I think only 2 persons are joined today. And I started this batch around 2 days back. Can hear me, all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir, we can hear.
Guys, respond immediately.
Yes,
2 days
sir.
back, Kanvelu and Balaji, both of you, 2 days back, I started this batch. So whatever sessions you missed, you can take the recordings from the Durga management. And of course, I'm not yet started the actual topic here. We have the demo sessions only. Understand, Kanivelu? Balaji?
Yes, I
Yes,
already
sir.
I gone through the 3 videos.
Oh, good. Then okay, no issues. Okay, let us start the class. Let me recap the points once again, what we discussed in the last class. So, go to downloads. Here. Is everyone can view my screen?
Yes, sir.
Good. Last class, last 2 days, I was discussing about what? Okay. What is Salesforce? What is cloud computing? What are the types of services provided by vendor company? Like, IaaS, PaaS, and we have something like what? Come on.
Yes.
SaaS. SaaS stands for what? Software as a service or AAS, application as a service. And also we discussed about versions of Salesforce and editions of Salesforce. Tell me, every year Salesforce releases how many versions?
Version.
Come on.
Winter, spring, summer.
Based on what?
Mhm.
Based on
Season.
seasons. Yes or no? So that is what? Winter season, summer season, and spring version. Currently we are we are learning what? Spring 23 version. Understand?
Yes.
Can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Guys, respond immediately, all of you. Vidya, Kannivelu, Rajat Chaudhary.
Yes, sir, we can hear.
Shal, good, good.
Yes, sir.
So 3 versions of Salesforce. And coming to editions. How many editions are there? 5 editions. Essential edition, Enterprise edition, Unlimited edition, Professional edition, and developer edition. Total how many editions? 5 editions. Out of 5 editions, first 4 editions, Essential, Enterprise, Unlimited, and Professional. All these 4 editions are paid editions. Whereas Developer Edition is the free edition. Understand all of you? Okay, Developer Edition is what here? Free edition. Clear all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Guys, everyone, please respond immediately. I want immediate answer. Say yes or no. That's it. So that I can understand your follow me session. If you keep silent, I could not able to understand whether you hear my class or not. Understand everyone here? Balaji, Kannivelu, everyone in the class.
Yes, yes.
Everybody,
Yes, sir.
please unmute and talk with me. Vivek Sharma, everyone in the classroom, be active in the class. Good.
Yes,
So these are the 5 important points in the last class we discussed. And today I'm going to discuss about what? Environments of Salesforce. Actually, we have 2 types of environments. In Salesforce. One is sandbox environment, the other one is what? Production environment. Sandbox environment means it is a place, it is purely developers environment. Where developers can sit and develop the application as per the business need or as per the client requirement. Do you understand what I'm speaking here? Hello?
Yes, yes.
It's purely
sir.
developers environment where developers can sit and develop the application as per the business or client requirement. I can say PaaS environment. PaaS stands for what?
Platform as a service.
Platform as a service. Next point. There are 2 types of sandboxes. No, sorry, 3 types of sandboxes. There are 3 types of sandboxes here. What is the first one? Configuration sandbox. Developer sandbox. And the third one is what? Come on. Full copy sandbox. Total how many here? 3. Configuration sandbox, developer sandbox, and full copy sandbox. Configuration sandbox. It is purely GUI environment where developer no need to write any coding or programming. Okay. What does GUI stands for? Come on, guys.
Graphical user interface.
Graphical user interface. So that developer no need to write any code or programming. Okay. Without writing coding, without writing programming, the developer can develop the application. Just drag and drop, point and click your mouse. Understand? I can say 40% of application we can develop through GUI mode. Understand everyone in the class? Balaji, Kannivelu,
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
all of you. Without writing the code, 40% of application we can develop through what? GUI. GUI stands for the graphical user interface. That is why the people who do not have any programming knowledge before, they can also understand what Apex. Sorry, they can also understand what Salesforce. Understand what I am speaking?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes,
So
yes.
coding part is very less, guys. Coding part is very, very less comparatively Java and .NET. All of you understand what I am speaking?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Because 40% of application Salesforce, without writing the code, developer can develop the application. Just point and click and drag and drop. That's it. That is why even technical people, non-technical people also can understand, can easily get the jobs in Salesforce. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
The person wants to learn Salesforce, that person do not require any prior knowledge on software. Without coding knowledge, without software knowledge, also can understand what? Salesforce, and they can get the jobs in Salesforce. Understand, Vidya?
Yes, sir.
Rest of all the people can understand? Balaji, Kanvelu,
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Smita, Vishal, everyone in the class, Vivek, good.
Yes, sir.
Next, developer sandbox. Developer sandbox means it is purely okay, depending on coding or programming. I can say 60% of application we can develop through, come on, coding.
Coding.
For coding, Salesforce given a programming language called what? Come on.
Apex programming.
Apex. Apex is a programming language which is given by Salesforce. 60% of application you can develop through coding. 40% of application you can develop through GUI. So after completion of the development, okay, we have to go for what? Full copy sandbox. What is full copy sandbox? Full copy sandbox means it contains the replica. Replica means, come on,
Duplicate.
duplicate copy of the, what is this? Come on,
Original application.
contains the replica of the original application. Duplicate copy of the original application. It is used for what purpose?
Testing purpose.
Come on, testing purpose. All of you understand? Tell me, after completion of development, we need to test the application or not?
Yes.
What is the meaning of testing? Any one of you please tell me?
To check whether our developer product is working fine.
It is a process of checking whether the application is really meeting the customer's requirement or all of you understand that is the meaning of what? Testing. It is a process of checking whether the application is really meeting the customer's requirement or not. Understand, Smita, Rajveer, Rajat Singh, everyone. Can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Actually, do you know about SDLC? What is SDLC stands for?
Software development lifecycle.
Software development, life cycle. Software development life cycle. It contains 4 phases. The first phase,
Requirement gather.
requirement gathering. After that,
Design development.
development. Testing.
Production.
What is the last one here?
Deployment.
Deployment. So after testing, we have to go for deployment. What is the meaning of deployment? Deployment means moving the application from sandbox to, come on, production environment. This process can be called as what? Come on, guys. Deployment. Understand everyone in the class? Venkatesh, Vishal, Smita. Okay? Yeah, everyone. So once again, I'm repeating all the points. Listen carefully. There are two types of environments in Salesforce. Today is 10/6/23. I started with what here? The environments of Salesforce. How many environments? Come on,
2 environments.
2 environments. What is the first one?
Sandbox,
Box.
The box, and the second one is what?
production.
Production. Someone need to mute, guys. I'm getting some noise from your side. Thank you. Good. Sandbox means it is purely developers environment where developers can sit and develop the application as per the business or a client requirement. I can say it is purely PaaS environment. So there are 3 types of sandboxes. One is configuration sandbox, developer sandbox, full copy sandbox. Configuration sandbox means it is purely GUI environment where developer no need to write any coding or programming. 40% of application we can develop through what? GUI environment without writing the code. And coming to developer sandbox, it is purely coding depending on programming. 60% of application can develop through what? Coding. For this, Salesforce given one of the programming language called what?
Apex.
Apex. Third one is full copy sandbox. It contains the replica. Replica means what? Duplicate copy of the application. It is meant for what purpose? Come on, guys. Testing purpose. And testing is a process of checking whether the application is meeting the customer's requirement or not. And we have 4 phases in SDLC: designing, development, testing, and deployment. What is deployment? Deployment means move the application from sandbox to production. Yes or no? Now I'm going to discuss about what is production. Production means it is a client's environment where client and client's employees are using the application It is a client's environment where client and client employees are using the application. Okay. I can say it is SaaS environment. What is SaaS stands for?
Software as a
Software as
It
a
is service or
service.
application as a service. Good. But here I'm going to ask a question. Vidya, Smita, okay, everyone in the class, please listen carefully and try to understand what I'm asking here. Is client and client employees knows how to use the application? This is my question here.
No, sir.
Client and the client employees.
No.
No. How to use the
Training.
Come on, guys.
No.
Anvelu, Balaji,
No.
they don't know how to use the application because they're not techies, guys. Understand? Okay. They are not techies. Okay. They are just end users. They don't know how to use the application. Correct or not?
yes.
That is why to guide them, to monitor them, okay, there is another person who is always sitting at the client's place. That person we can call him as what? You know, system administrator. System administrator, I can say, you know, super user. Am I clear, all of you?
Yes.
System administrator or super user. System administrator is a person who is always sitting at the client place. He is the person to guide the entire application, to monitor the entire application, to guide the entire team of client. Now, suppose if you got a job after completion of this course, if you got a job as a system administrator in any company, okay, what is your job roles and responsibilities as a system administrator? That is a point I'm going to discuss now. What are the roles and responsibilities of system administrator in real-time environment? That is a point I'm going to discuss now. Am I clear, everyone? Balaji, Kanivelu, Rajat Chaudhary?
Yes.
Yes.
Because, guys, listen carefully. After completion of this course, you can apply the jobs for what? Either developer or either for admin.
Admin.
There are two types of jobs you can eligible. Understand? Either developer job or administrator job. If you want to go for developer job, you should have what? Good programming skills. If you want to go for administration side, you do not require any, come on, no programming skills. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
But my suggestion, my advice is better to go for development side. Why? Because, tell me, why you're doing the job? All the people, and why you're learning the course?
To earn money.
More
Earn
demand.
money. Yes or no? At the end of the day, everybody looking for what? Comfortable life, earning money. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So comparatively administrator, developer getting more salary. I can say at least 20 to 25% salary variation. How much?
22, 20.
Developer job is more, as developer salary is more than what? Administrator job. That is why, okay, my suggestion is, my first priority is go for development side. In case, okay, no sir, some people are really scaring about programming. No sir, I could not able to go for development side. So I have to go for administration. That's okay. That is second option. But first option, first priority is only developer. Understand? And programming is very easy, guys. Programming is very easy. Okay. I will make you masters. In program. Understand all of you? It's my promise. Clear all of you?
Yes.
The only thing you have to practice regularly, and every day I'm giving the assignments to you. We have to complete your assignments. You need to post your answers in the group, because very soon I'm going to create a WhatsApp group for your batch. In that group, you have to post your answers. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So if you are under me, next 3 months down the line, and the 4th month, definitely you'll get the job. That kind of assurance I'm giving you from my side. But the only thing you have to practice. I don't listen lame excuses. Sir, I don't have time to practice. Okay, because I'm busy with my office work and all. I don't want to listen this kind of lame excuses. You have to sit with the system at least 1 to 2.5 hours every day. Then only you can get the job. If you give this word to me, then I will show the job to you. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you going to practice?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone,
sir.
every head in the class. Kanivelu, Venkatesh, Vidya, Ra, Balaji, everyone.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to listen
Yes.
any kind of lame excuses. You have to sit with the system, practice at least per day 2 hours. Minimum to minimum 2 hours. Maximum your wish, minimum 2 hours. Understand, Smita, Venkatesh, Rajbir? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Being active in the class, guys. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to discuss about the, the roles and responsibilities of system administrator in the company. So this is the point I'm going to discuss. Everyone, please mute. Hello, guys. Everyone, please wait and get back to you within 2 minutes. I need some water. Please wait, all of you. Smita, any doubts?
No, sir, by mistake.
Yeah. Please wait, everyone. Just 5 minutes. I need some water. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss about the roles and responsibilities of system administrator. As a system administrator, first we need to create the user accounts. What we need to create? Create the user accounts. Create the roles. Create the profiles. Granting means what? Giving the
Permission.
privileges. Privileges means
Permission.
permissions. To the user. Revoke means from the user. And also data management operations. Data management operations means import and export operations. Import means moving the data from external systems to Salesforce. Export means moving the data from Salesforce to external systems. Using some what? Tools which is given by Salesforce, that is data import wizard and data loader. Understand all of you? Hello.
Yes.
Using data import wizard and data loader, okay, we can perform import and export operations. Next one, 7th point, data automations, and we have something like what? Come on, approvals. Data automation and approvals. Using some tools like what? You know, workflows, process builder, flow builder, approval process. These are all comes under what? Data automations and approvals. Understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
With
Yes.
the tools, using these tools, we can perform what? Automations and approvals operation. And you know, the next one. Everyone can view my screen.
Sir, explain the 7th point again.
Data automation approvals. Automation means automatically performs the operations without user interaction. Without user, come on,
Interaction.
interaction. For example, suppose if you deposit some amount in your account, if you deposit some amount in your account, will you receive the SMS on your mobile?
Yes.
Come on,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Or suppose if you withdraw some amount from your account, then also you'll receive the SMS. Tell me, who will send the SMS from the bank? Is there a specific person the bank is going to send the SMS manually?
No.
No. So that is not practically possible. That kind of operations can be called as what? Automations. It automatically performs the operations without user interaction. Understand the point here,
Yes, sir.
everyone?
But sir, that task is performed by machine. What is the use of administrator in that?
Sorry, come again.
Sir, I was saying that was performed by machine. So what is the use of
But logic is developed by whom here?
administrator?
Administrator, na? Nothing automatically.
Oh,
Everything should be created by whom? System administrator with the help of these tools, as per the company requirement.
Okay, sir,
Understand?
got it.
That's it. Okay. Nothing can perform automatically.
Yes.
That is created by system administrator as per the company requirement with the help of these tools. Right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Next one. Next one, data automation and approvals. After that, data analysis. That is called business intelligence. What is this?
Yes, sir.
This is reports and, come on, dashboards. Ninth one, most important job of system administrator is data security. What is that?
Data security.
Data security. So we can provide the security for the data in different levels. That is org level security,
Like organization, sir.
yeah, organization level security, application level security called app level security, object level security, in the meanwhile, we have something like tab level security, record level security, read level security, and record level security we have OWD. OWD stands for organization wide defaults. Role hierarchies, sharing rules, and manual sharing. Understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So these are all comes under what? Security aspect. And also we have something like permission sets. We have public groups. We have something like queues. These are all comes under data security only. Am I clear? So these are the roles and responsibilities of system administrator in the company. Everyone understand? What is
Yes,
this?
sir.
He is the person creating the users, creating the roles, creating the profiles, granting the permissions to the users, revoke back the permissions from the users, and also is performing data management operations like import and export with the help of some tools like data import wizard and data loader. And also you can perform data automation approvals using some tools like workflows, process builder, flow builder, approval process, data analysis, that is reports and dashboards, and finally data security We can provide the security in different levels like org level security, app level security, tab level security, object level security, field level security, record level security. Under record level security, we have something like, OWD. So OWD stands for organization-wide defaults, role hierarchies, sharing rules, manual sharing, okay? Permission sets, public rules, understand? These are all what? Come on, guys. Data security, guys. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
So these are the roles and responsibilities of system administrator in real-time environment. Am I clear with this part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Smita, Venkatesh, Vidya,
Yes, sir.
Vivek,
Yes, sir.
Kanvelu, Balaji, Rajveer Singh, Venkatesh, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good.
Sir, are we going to configure all these things, sir?
Oh, I didn't understand, Venkatesh, what you're speaking.
While teaching administrative part, are we going to configure all these 9 items?
Yes.
Okay.
All these things we are going to cover in your admin part, okay?
Okay.
Guys, total 6 modules I'm going to cover in your syllabus. How many modules?
6 modules.
6 modules. Kanvelu and Balaji. Total 6 modules I'm going to discuss in your syllabus.
Yes.
These are the 6 modules, guys. Look at this on. Look at the.
Yeah, configuration, integration.
Yeah. Look at this. 6 modules. Look at my screen. 6 modules. 3 months time. Configuration, development, integration, administration, CRM, and what? And whatever 9 topics I wrote under system administrator, all these topics we are going to cover in admin part. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. So that is all about this one. Next point, what I'm going to discuss is next topic, what I'm going to discuss after environments of Salesforce. MVC architecture. Is anyone know about this? Or at least anyone heard the name called MVC architecture?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Tell me what is MVC stands for?
Model view control.
M stands for model. V stands for view. C stands for
Controller.
controller. I can see it is a common phenomena. Almost all every technology follows the same architecture. You take Java, .NET, Python, almost all every technology follows the same architecture. Model view controller. Understand everyone?
For an application, sir.
It's not application, it's an architecture. Every application built on this architecture only.
Okay.
Okay. So it's a 3-tier architecture. Or it's a 3-layer architecture. Every technology follows almost the same thing. The first layer can be called as view. Second layer can be called as controller. And the bottom layer is what here? Model. Guys, look at this. End user always sits in front of the view. View means user interface. User interface means front end screen. I will explain you. Okay. So end user always sits in front of the user interface through which he can perform some operation. And that operation goes via controller and then finally goes to where? Model. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
So controller is a business logic. Control contains what? BL. BL stands for business logic. And the model is a database layer. What is model?
Database.
Database. Company database are stored in the model only. So end user always sits in front of the user interface through which he can perform the operations. But end user can perform what kind of operations? End user basically performs 4 operations. How many?
4.
4 operations. That is, in short, we can call it as what? CRUD operations. CRUD operations means, what is C? C stands for create. R stands for read. D
Update,
stands for
Update.
update.
delete.
D stands for delete. So these are the 4 operations are generally performed by Come on.
End user.
end user. Okay, for your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. I have the account in HDFC Bank. Suppose I'm going to the HDFC Bank ATM. I am trying to withdraw. Some amount. Suppose I want to withdraw 5,000. My account balance already how much? 15,000 is there. Okay, from this 15,000, I want to withdraw how much? 5,000. If I withdraw 5,000, then my balance becomes how much? Come on.
10,000.
Now tell me, among these 4 operations, this operation belongs to which category? Is it
Update.
create or read or update or delete?
Update.
Update, very good. Because I changed the balance from 15,000 to 10,000. Yes or no? By withdraw 5,000. Clear all of you? Fine. Suppose I deposit some amount. Understand? How much? 5,000. My balance already 10,000 is there. Okay, I want to add 5,000. Now balance becomes how much?
15,000.
15,000. Now tell me, which operation I'm performing among these 4?
Update.
That is also update operation. Either withdraw or deposit. As end user, indirectly I'm performing what? Come on.
Update.
Update.
Update operation. Who am I here? End user. I'm the customer. Yes or no? I'm standing in front of the ATM counter. In the ATM, having some screens or not? Come on.
Yes.
Language selection one screen. Okay. Entering amount is one screen. Okay. Savings account or current account one screen. Like we can see 3-4 screens in the ATM. Yes or no?
Yes.
Those screens can be called as what? Front-end screens or user interface, through which I'm going to perform this operation. Yes or no?
Yes.
Those screens can be called as view. Understand Kanivelu Balaji? Vidya?
Yes.
Yes.
Screens can be called as view. View means user interface, through which end user can interact, through which end user can perform the operations. Understand? Clear? Good. Suppose, as a customer of the bank, I just want to check my balance. If I check my balance, indirectly, which operation I'm going to perform?
Read.
Among these 4. Come on.
Read.
Very good. Which operation here? Read operation. I'm fetching the data from the model. I'm going to check my balance, how much balance in my account. If I check the balance indirectly, I'm performing which operation? Read operation. Clear all of you? Okay. If I withdraw or deposit, I'm performing update operation. If I check the balance, I'm performing read operation. Okay. I'm going to US. I'm going to America. That is why I want to cancel my account from HDFC Bank. I given the request letter to the manager. Sir, I'm moving to US. That is why I want to cancel the account. And this is my request letter. Please cancel the account. And the concerned person in the bank is going to, come on, cancel the account in the HDFC. Tell me, that employee of the HDFC Bank performs which operation here?
Delete operation.
Very good, very good. Delete operation. Cancel the account means delete operation. Okay. Suppose I'm going to open a new account in HDFC Bank. I fill the application form. I given the application form to the concerned person in the bank. And that person is going to create a new account in the HDFC bank. Now tell you indirectly you are performing which operation?
Create.
Create. Create means
Insert
insert a new
a new
record,
record.
insert a new customer details. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. If I withdraw deposit, which operation here?
Update.
Update. If I check the balance,
Read.
read. Okay. If I cancel the account,
Delete.
okay. If I want to open a new account in HDFC bank,
Create.
create. Suppose if I want to withdraw a deposit, if I want to check the balance, first of all, I need to enter my PIN number or not. Come on, without entering the PIN
Yes,
number,
yes.
I can't perform deposit or withdraw operation. I cannot check the balance. Yes or no?
Yes.
Tell me, who will check this PIN number is correct or wrong? I entered 4-digit PIN number, but who will check whether this PIN number is correct or wrong? In case if I enter the wrong PIN number, it is showing error message on the screen or not? Invalid PIN number. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Who will print that message? Who is going to check the PIN number is correct or wrong?
Model will check the PIN number.
No, that is checking by whom here?
Advenced.
Control.
Understand all of you? Business logic. Whatever PIN number entered by the end user on the form, and that PIN number is going to check in the controller. Yes or no? Whether the PIN number is correct or wrong. Clear all of you? If it is correct, then he allows. If it is not correct, it will display error message. Everyone understand what I am speaking?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All of you understand? Smita, Kanvelu, Vidya?
Yes.
Good. Tell me, all the bank customer details stored in where?
DB.
Model. That is data. So database contains or model contains the complete information of the customers in the bank, and controller is going to check the business logic and performing some operations. 15,000, 5,000 to withdraw, and it becomes 10,000. Tell me who performed this operation? Come on. Controller. Yes or no? All of you understand?
Yes.
You simply withdraw 5,000 rupees. Indirectly, who is performing the operation inside?
Controller.
Controller logic you have to write. Understand all of you? Hello.
Yes.
Now, Smita got it out. Sir, how we can design user interface, how we can design front-end screens. Java people, in case I'm Java programmer, I can develop this view using JSP language. Which language?
JSP.
Java server pages. And I can develop the business logic using Java language. And backend database Oracle, they are using, or they are using what? Come on.
MySQL.
MySQL. In case if it is .NET people, .NET application, .NET people, they are using, what is this?
ASPX.
ASP. Business logic, they are using, which language?
C#.
C# programming language. Backend database, they are using what?
SQL Server.
SQL Server. If it is Salesforce, application, how we can download the user interface?
Visual Force.
Using Visual Force language. Using Visual Force language, we can develop the front-end application, front-end screens. Visual Force is nothing but HTML language. Is anyone know about HTML?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a markup language. Controller, they are using what?
Apex.
Apex. Model, they are using something like what? Speak out, S object. I will discuss what is it's not subject, S object. S object stands for Salesforce object. Understand?
Which stores the data.
Which stores the data, just like a table, database table. All of you understand, guys?
Yes.
Now all of you understand the model view controller? Okay,
Yes.
Smita, how it works? Okay, good. Now, with respect to Salesforce, what model contains, what controller contains, and what view contains. That is a point I'm going to discuss. Listen carefully. What model contains? Model is a database, yes or no? Model contains your application. Your application stores in the model only, yes or no? Model contains tabs. Model contains a subject. Model contains fields. And also relationships. We have 6 types of relationships. Self-relationship, lookup, master detail, many to many, roll-up summary, hierarchical. These are all relationships. Total 6 types of relationships. Self-relationship, lookup relationship, master detail relationship, many to many relationship, roll-up summary, and hierarchical. Understand all of you? Hello?
Yes.
And also, we have something like what? Validations. Standard validations and also custom validations. Field dependency. Page layouts. Record types. Cross-object formula field. Global pick list. Track field history. All these topics we are going to cover in their model part. Understand?
Yes.
Now someone got a doubt. Sir, where you can discuss all these topics? And all these topics are covered in which model? Sorry, in which module? All
Develop.
these topics we are going to cover or we are going to discuss in where? Come on.
Configuration.
That is the first module. Yes or no? That is the first module in your syllabus. In this module, we are going to cover all these topics. Guys, I'm challenging here because I'm a corporate trainer working in Cognizant. Not only Cognizant, guys. I'm a corporate trainer for popcorn apps in Hyderabad. I'm a corporate trainer for Rapid Force Technologies in Kolhapur. I'm a corporate trainer for Orbis International in Noida. I'm a corporate trainer for Swam Technologies in Delhi. For these companies, I'm a corporate trainer in Salesforce. I'm not going to disclose myself about myself last 3 days. But this is the time I'm going to discuss about myself. I have 26 years experience in software field. Out of 26 years, last 10 years, I'm into Salesforce side. I'm a corporate trainer for these companies. Cognizant, Popcorn Apps, Rapid Force Technologies, Orbis International, Swam Technologies, for these companies. This is Delhi-based company. This is, Noida. It is located in Kolhapur, Maharashtra. Popcorn Apps, Hyderabad. And CTS is also. For these corporate companies, I'm a corporate trainer. Not only this, I used to take the online sessions for US, UK, Canada, Australia, Germany, and what is this? Turkey. Istanbul. For these companies, for these country people also, I'm taking online sessions. Understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
As far as my experience point of view is concerned, I am challenging guys. Nobody can cover this much of syllabus in your, this much of content in your syllabus, I can say. What is this? This much of content in your syllabus. I can challenge. You can compare the content with anyone. I'm not going to boost on myself. Understand all of you?
Yes.
Okay. So these are the things are covered in where? In configuration module. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
And coming to controller part, in the controller part, it's completely based on programming. Here we are using something called what? Come on, Apex. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Which language? Apex language. In Apex language, we are going to discuss groups topic. We have something like exception handling, accessions, annotations, database concepts, Sockwell and social language, DML commands, collections, that is list, set, and map, controllers, standard controller, custom controller, standard list controller, come on, custom list controller, standard set controller, set controller, custom. One, two, three, four. And extension controller. After controllers, we will discuss about interfaces, schedule Apex, batch Apex, and finally what? Triggers. All these topics I am covering in controller, in Apex language. And coming to visual view, tell me view, which language you're going to discuss in view? Just write
Visual Force.
Visual Force, very good. Okay. So after completion of all these topics, we will enter into something like what? Most important thing. Come on. Integration. In integration, we are going to discuss about the SOAP API. REST API. And what? Bulk API. Integration. Understand all of you? It is all comes under development only. After integration, we will enter into what? Admin. After admin, CRM, and finally, we are going to discuss about Lightning. Am I clear, all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fine. Next point. After MVC architecture, I hope all of you understand MVC architecture and what are the topics I'm going to cover. Clear, all of you?
Yes.
The next point is SOSL stands for Salesforce Object Search Language. Smita.
Yes, sir.
SOQL stands for Salesforce Object Query Language. SOSL stands for Salesforce Object Search Language. This contains only one command, that is find. SOQL, Salesforce Object Query Language, contains only one command, that is select. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. And the next point, what I'm going to discuss is how to create an account in Salesforce. Understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Clear, everyone? And
Yes.
the next topic is what? How to create an account in Salesforce. Guys, today class is up to 10 o'clock. So up to 9 o'clock, sorry. Today I'm going to take 2 hours class. Saturday special. Understand?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Monday onwards, I'm going to start what? First module in syllabus configuration. Your demo sessions are completed today itself. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Monday onwards, I'm going to start the first module.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how to create an account in Salesforce? Look at this. Login.salesforce.com. Oh, sorry. Developer.force.com. What I typed in the URL? Come on, guys.
Developer.force.com.
Developer.force.com. Okay. Everybody, please note down. Developer.force.com. Developer.force.com. Everybody, please look at this. Make a splash with the summer 23 release. What is the version is going to expect now in future?
Number 23.
Summer 23.
Huh?
Summer 23.
Summer 23. Understand the point, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Vidya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Yeah, after completion of the class, please call me once.
Yes, sir. May I know your number, sir?
888-5-411-455. Okay, this is my
Okay.
number.
Okay, sir.
Please call me
Yes,
after completion of the class.
sure, sir.
I think you are in US right now, right?
No, sir. Actually, right now I'm in India, but I'll go to US after a month.
Okay, no problem. Look at this, all of you. So very soon we are going to expect what? Summer 23 version, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. Just 1 minute, guys, please wait. Look at this. Click on down arrow. What is the button here?
Browse.
Browse files.
Browse files. Get a trial development environment for free. Tell me, yesterday we discussed about environments of editions of Salesforce. Remember all of you?
Yes.
Okay. So out of 5 editions, one of the edition is what? Developer edition. Is developer edition a free edition or not?
Yes. Free edition.
Okay. What is this? Salesforce
Developer edition.
developer edition. Go down. And what is the button here?
Sign.
For the
Sign up.
Salesforce developer edition. Click here. Look at this. Sign up for your Salesforce developer edition. A full-featured copy of the platform for free. Clear? Hello.
Yes.
Here we need to enter all of the credentials. First name, last name, email, role, company, country, postal code, username. All these things we need to enter. Okay. So let me enter my name. Do you know what is my name? Huh?
Sign
No. No, this is my name actually.
on.
Sainath is only because of pet name. Why? Because my company problems, I changed the name. My actual name is what? Avigyan Prakash. Understand? So Avigyan is my first name and La Prakash is my last name here. And I given as what? Vijay Prakash 2019. And here we need to get the valid email ID, guys. Understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Here we need to give what? Valid email ID. And role. Suppose if you are working in the company, in that company, what is your role? That role you have to specify here. Is it developer role or architect role or administrator role or IT manager, you know, or business manager, something else. So generally I selected what? Developer role. Yes, we can select anything, no problem, no issues at all. Clear everyone? Vidya?
Yes.
Okay, Smita, all of you. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
company name, whether your company is existed or not existed. My company name is what here? Infotree. Clear all of you. It's my own company name here. Infotree. And country region. What is my country region? It is located in India. And postal code, we can give any postal code. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No problem at all. And username, your name @ your company name.com. My point is clear now. Guys, is anyone working in real time in any company in your batch?
Yes.
What's your name?
Yes.
What is your name?
Convey.
Kannivelu. Yeah. Which company it belongs to?
CGI.
CGI. Good, good. Fine. May I know what is your company's email ID?
CGI.com.
No, your company's email. Kannivelu @cgi.com.
Yeah.
Okay. Your name @ your company name.com or not?
Yes.
Like that. Here also we have to be like this. Okay. Suppose AP. AP means Abhigyan Prakash. AP @ what is this? Come on. Infotree.com. So AP is my first name, actually username. @ Infotree.com. Okay. This is my company name. Understand? Hello. I selected this. I agree to the terms and conditions. Click on what? Sign me up. So it takes a couple of minutes time. Beep boop processing here. Please wait. It takes 2 minutes time. Guys, all of you understand how to create the account in Salesforce?
Okay.
Come on.
Yes.
So I will receive some email from the Salesforce company, the confirmation email. Let me refresh the page. Take some time, guys. Please wait. Yeah, got it. What is this? Welcome to Salesforce Verify Your Account. What is the username? ap@infotree.com. This is what we created just now, right? Come on, guys. Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. And after creating the username, I need to create what? Password. I need to set the password. So click on what? Verify account. Click on verify account here. Everybody please read this point. Enter a new password for what? ap@infotree.com. Make sure to include at least how many characters?
8 characters.
So the password should contain 8 characters, out of which one should be letter and one should be number. Okay. Come on. ABCD 1 2 3 4. ABCD 1 2 3 4. What is the password I given? ABCD 1 2 3 4. Total how many characters? 8 characters. Yes or no? No, out of 8, one should be letter, one should be number. Good. So after that, security question. In what city were you born? Come on, what is this? Hyderabad. Click on what? Change password. Okay. So we successfully created the account in Salesforce. Everyone clear? So this is the Salesforce environment. What is this? Lightning.force.com. Am I clear with this part of my explanation? How to create the
Yes, sir.
application in
Yes, sir.
Salesforce? Hello guys, Vidya, Balaji, Kannivelu, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
Good. Vishal. Good. Next. Before we all dive into Salesforce environment, you should know about some basic vocabulary. What is this? Basic vocabulary, what we are using in Salesforce. What are all these? What are all these? One is, what is app? Second one, what is tab? Third one is, most important word, S-object. Guys, as long as you're in Salesforce, without using this word S-object, you cannot complete your day. Understand? So that much of important it is. S-object, field, data, and what is the next one here? Record. So these are the 6 important words that you need to understand before we all enter into Salesforce environment. Understand everyone? So let me start with the app. What is app? App means application, yes or no? Come on, guys. What is app? App means application. What is application? Guys, once you open your mobile, we can see a lot of apps in your mobile, yes or no? Come on.
Is an application which you can perform some action.
Suppose take the example. I hope all of you know about Book My Show application, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is Book My Show application? Tell me, what is Book My Show application?
Application which we can book tickets.
Using this application, what we can do? We can book the tickets through online, yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Movie tickets. I just opened the Book My Show application. $1,000. Other. Okay. Fine. What is this, guys?
Location.
The mouse pointer. I click on drop down button. It is showing what?
City.
Mumbai, Delhi, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Ahmednagar, Chandigarh, Chennai, Pune, Kolkata, Kochi. We can see all the cities. Yes or no? Okay. Here there is a movie called Tucker. So open Tucker. I think it is Siddhartha movie. It is available in Tamil and Telugu languages. Okay. Click on book tickets. You want to watch Tamil movie or Telugu movie? Suppose Tamil movie. Go to Tamil movie. Okay. This movie is available only in one theater. PVR Nexus. Understand all of you? Observe carefully all of you. Once you open Book My Show application, it is showing all the list of cities. Yes or no?
Yes.
And also it is showing all the list of?
Movies.
It is showing all the list of, come on, theaters. Okay. Showing what? Show timings. While I'm watching the movie, I want to eat some food, some munching, some popcorn or soft drink or any ice cream kind of thing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Or any samosa, whatever it is. Clear? So what is this? Food availability. Tell me, showing the information about the cities, I can say it is service number 1. Showing the information about the movies, I can say service number 2. Information about the theaters, service number 3. Information about the show timings, service number 4. Food availability, I can say service number 5. Like that, collection of these services are included in one application. Yes or no? So that is why application can be defined as what? Come on, speak out. Collection of or set of or group of. Come on, guys. Services. But with respect to Salesforce, application means come on, collection of tabs which provides some, come on, functionality. Do you understand what I am speaking?
Yes.
Collection of tabs which provide some functionality. In Salesforce,
Collection of tabs means what, sir?
I will tell you tab means, I will tell you, please wait. In Salesforce, applications or apps are divided into, come on, 2 types. What is the first one? Standard app. What is the second one here? Custom app. What is the first one? Standard app. Second one is what? Custom app. Standard app means which is given by, come on, Salesforce. Custom app means which is created by, come on, developer. Do you understand what I'm speaking?
Yes, sir.
Examples of standard app is content, marketing, sales, service. These are all the examples of what? Standard apps. Custom app means it can give any name. Info tree. Suppose Institute Management System. Okay. Suppose XYG company. You can give any name, guys. Understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
It's like that we have how many types of apps in Salesforce? 2 types, standard app and custom. Coming to the tab. Tell me what is tab? In your system, in your keyboard, we can see the tab button. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, yes.
If you press the tab button, what happens? Now I'm pressing the tab button. See what is going to happen.
Moving.
The cursor is moving towards right side, right?
Yeah.
Vidya,
Yes, sir.
Smita, all of you. Cursor is moving towards right side, okay? This is what? Come on. Which application it is? This is WhatsApp application. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Look at my screen. This is which application?
Zoom.
This is Salesforce application. Salesforce application. Yes or no?
Yes.
And this is
Gmail.
application. And this is what? Again, Salesforce application. And this is what?
Bookmesh.
Tell me how many applications at a time running? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 applications are running at a time. Yes or no? Come on.
Yes.
Okay. What is this, guys? If I click on plus symbol, what it is showing?
New tab.
New tab. If I click on new tab, what happens? It is moving from Bookmachine application to which application?
Google.
Google application. Am I clear, everyone in the class?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Come on, all of you. So we can move from one application to what? Another application. Or the other way around. If you click on tab, it connects to some other application. Or it connects to some other page. Yes or no?
Yes.
So tab means it connects to, come on, some other page. Am I correct or not?
Yes.
But with respect to Salesforce, using tab, we can connect with, come on, a subject. We can access the subject only through what? Tab.
yes.
What is a subject? I will discuss later. In Salesforce, SF means Salesforce. Tabs are divided into 2 types. How many? Come on. Tabs are divided into 2 types. What is the first one? Standard tab and the custom tab. Standard tab means you can expect easily, which is created by or which is given by
Salesforce.
custom tab means
It is created by developer.
very good. Which is created by developer as per the business requirement. Okay. All of you follows or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I going fast?
No.
Examples of standard tabs. Campaigns, leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities. These are all what? Come on,
Standard tab.
standard tabs. Everybody please read this. What is this?
Home opportunity. Leads.
Come on. Tasks, files, accounts, contacts. What is this?
Campaigns.
Campaigns, leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities. But one common point you need to observe here by seeing these names. Is anyone identify the common point?
I think there are another services when you click on it.
No. Every tab name is plural word. Understand?
Yes.
Every tab name is what? Singular word or plural word?
Plural.
Plural word. Am I clear, all of you?
Yes.
So all tab names are what here? Plural words. Custom tabs, which is created by developers, students, courses, employees, trainers. These are all the custom tabs. Next one is what here? S object. What is the meaning of S object? S object is
Sales-
nothing but a database table. What is this?
Database table.
Database point of view. Is anyone here the name called table?
Yes.
What is table?
Which contains some information in the
Yeah.
form of columns and rows.
Table is a place where we can store the information permanently in the form of rows and columns. Understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Database point of view, we can call it as table. Salesforce point of view, we can call it as what? S object. Understand, everyone?
That means, does it have only one table to maintain all the data?
No, no, no. Application contains multiple tables.
Oh,
Okay. Suppose employees, it stores only employees information. Students, it stores only students information. Courses, it stores only course information. Point clear?
yes, so,
We cannot combine depending on the application. Suppose I am going to develop the application for the college, it is all related to students only. Yes or no?
yes.
And all students information sourced into student S object. A
Okay.
student tab. Sorry, student S object. And student S object should not contain what? Course details.
Okay. So that is another S object.
That is another S object. So related information stores into related S objects. That's it. Understand? In Salesforce, what is S object stands for?
Salesforce object.
Salesforce object. In Salesforce, we have two types of S objects. What is the first one? Come on. Standard S object
Customer.
and custom S object. What is standard S object?
Which was given by Salesforce.
Yeah. Given by Salesforce. Custom S object means created by.
Yeah.
Am I clear, all of you? Example. Standard S subjects examples. Guys, look at me. Look at the screen. I copied. I pasted here. Observe carefully what I am doing. Tell me what I am doing here.
You are removing the plural names.
Then it becomes what?
Singular.
Yes or no? So, the difference between tab and S object is all tab names are plural names. All S object names are singular names. Point clear?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Any doubts? Using tab, we can access what? A subject only. Clear, all of you? Guys, all of you understand?
Yes.
Next. Field, data, and what? Record. Before I start field, let me discuss about data. What is data here? Data means whatever we entered into the system. What is this?
Whatever we want.
Whatever we entered into the system is called what? Data.
Data.
Data is nothing but a value which stores against the field. Point clear? Suppose EAD 101. What is 101?
Data.
Data, which stores inside the
Field.
field. What is field here?
EID.
EAD. So what is field? It represents value. Suppose if I do not write EAD, what is 101? No meaning. No one knows what is 101 means. If I write something EAD, then everybody can say that it is employee ID. Yes or no?
Yes.
That is why field represents what? Value or data. Yes or no? What is data? Whatever we entered into the system is called data. Data is nothing but a value which stores against the field. Next one is what here? Record. What is record? Come on. Horizontal collection of data is called record. For example, EAD. I given as a name Smita. Salary. Hire date. Hello, can you hear me? So 101 Smita 90,000, this value, this date. Everything is data or not?
Yes.
Horizontal collection of data is called. Is it horizontal or not? The entire line is called what here?
Record.
The entire line is. Now everyone understand all these 6 important words? Hello,
Yes.
how many words we discussed? App,
Tab.
app,
Yes. Object.
object,
Field. Data. Record.
data and record. Am I clear, all of you?
Yes.
Everyone understand?
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow class, tomorrow means Monday class, same time 7 o'clock. Monday class, I will show how to create all these. Understand? Guys, can hear me?
Yes.
How to create the custom app, how to create the custom tab, how to create the custom object, fields, data, records, how to create all these, I will show on Monday. Okay. Guys, all of you understand today's class, Kanvelu, Vijaya, Balaji,
Yes.
huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Vishal, Vivek.
Yes, sir.
Good. So that's all about today's session. I'll catch you on Monday. Thank you all. Happy weekend, everyone. Enjoy yourself. Guys, except Vidya, rest of all the people, please complete your formalities as soon as possible. Hello. Please
Yes, sir.
complete your registrations as soon as possible. Then only I can share these notes. Then only I can share the recordings. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's all about today's class. I'll catch you on Monday. Sorry, Vidya.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah. So I'll catch you on Monday. Thank you all.
Yeah. Thank you.